So this is the second video on special products of binomials. Perfect square trinomial, specifically this one is with regards to a minus b squared instead of a plus b squared. So just like with a plus b, the formulas are very similar. For a plus b squared, you got a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. The only difference between this perfect square trinomial and a minus b squared as a perfect trinomial is that instead of plus 2ab, you have minus 2ab. So the processes and steps are the same, and again, if you can't remember the formula, you can always revert back to using for-link or the box method to multiply these out those ways. I will not be using those in this case. I will just simply be using the formula. So the first thing that we need to do is to define a and b from the formula or the example that we are looking at. So we have x minus 4 squared, which makes a equal to x and b equal to 4. So from here, we need to fill it into a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That gives us x squared minus 2 times a times 4 plus 4 squared. So that's going to be x squared minus 8x plus 16. Now I will say that if you cannot remember the second formula of a minus b, you can rewrite x minus 4 squared into x plus a negative 4 squared, where a is x and b is negative 4, and then fill that into the original formula of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. By doing this, you will get x squared plus 2 times x times a negative 4 plus a negative 4 squared. Any negative number squared is positive, so that gives you the 16. 2 times negative 4 would be negative 8x, and then x squared just stays the same. As you can tell, the two solutions are the same, which means that you can revert back to the original formula of a plus b squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. It just depends on which formula you can remember. However, as long as you can remember one, you can always do both types of questions. The second example is 2y minus x squared. So that makes a equal to 2y and b equal to x. We're going to fill it in to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. That gives us the quantity of 2y squared minus 2 times 2y times x plus x squared. So 4y squared minus 4xy, try to remember it should be in alphabetical, and then plus x squared, and that would be it. You could rearrange this to x squared minus 4xy plus 4y squared. It really doesn't matter the order that it goes in. Both of these would be considered correct answers. Okay, so for the you try, you have 2x minus 3 squared and 3x minus 2y squared. So again, if you cannot remember the formulas, you can always revert back to for-link or multiplying out using a box method or some other multiplication method that you know. However, using the formulas is by far going to be the fastest, as long as you can remember them correctly. Okay, and that is the end of the second video.